SONGMICS shoe rack bench, 3-tier bamboo shoe organizer, storage shelf holds up to 264 pounds, ideal for entryway bathroom living corridor, black ULBS 04H. Welcomes you home. Say hello to this eye-pleasing bamboo piece, and embrace the welcoming and warm feeling it brings to your entryway or hallway. Take off your shoes, and let the day's fatigue stop here on this shoe bench. No more shoe piles. 2 bamboo shelves accommodate at least 6 pairs of shoes and give you a neat entry. The top shelf is perfect for dropping off your work bag and purse at the end of the day. Shoe rack bench Ottoman upholstered, gray padded cushion bamboo storage seat shelf, freestanding entryway hallway bedroom living room. Comfortable and soft cushion. This shoe bench is designed with rectangular cushion seating surface upholstered in dove gray fabric with dimpled button. Highly resilient memory foam padding ensures you a comfortable sitting experience. Extra storage space. The Ottoman bench will add a pop of glitz to your decor and can harmonize with any other furniture in any room. It's versatile to use in your bedroom, living room, hallway or utility room to organize shoes, toys and many other sundries. Wobble? Fat chance, no more wobbling annoyances here. With a robust bamboo frame, this shoe bench holds up to 264 pounds and supports steadily and firmly when you sit on.